Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be talking about Social Blade. Now remember guys, I do YouTube as a full-time gig, so I rely on this income for myself. So I take YouTube extremely serious, and I rely on Social Blade to give me the data that I need. However, they are inaccurate, and they always have been inaccurate for some time. They're always a few thousand off. They usually, unless I put a service call in for them to actually update it manually, they claim that it updates at 12 o'clock in the evening or 12 o'clock in the morning. However, this is proof that it does not. It's already 11:56 in the morning here on Friday, October 5th, and this data is still old. Let's refresh it and verify this. See if it finally updates. Still, I hit shift and refresh, and still shows Thursday. All right, so I'm very upset. Granted, yes, I know I do not pay for the service. I'm not doing anything. This is all free. However, you would think they would get the data accurate. This is their resume for me to go with them. If they can't handle it, then they should upgrade the service, really. But it is cool to see the information, how many subscribers I get daily. But anyway, this is the situation, and can we trust Social Blade anymore? I think they're starting to go downhill. I don't think they're really focusing on small YouTubers such as myself, and I think they're going downhill. So anyway guys, if you like this video and you agree with me and you're having the same frustrations as myself, please comment below and tell me your experiences with Social Blade. I'm curious. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.